Hello and welcome. We're continuing this gluten-free brownie kickoff, and this time up is Pamela's chocolate brownie mix sweetened with honey. This will be interesting. And out is everything we need to make it. Just 1 egg, half a cup of oil, and a quarter cup water. Let's speed this up, get it all mixed up, and see how it comes out. So I'll get it stirred up. Wow, it smells really good. I'll get this all mixed up and we'll see what it looks like. Here we go. Here's how it looks when it is fully mixed. It is quite thick, looks very fudgy, and it says do not overmix it. So gently mix it. It does have chocolate chunks in it, and it goes in a greased 8x8 or 9x9 pan. So I have a greased 9x9 pan. It goes in the oven at 350 for only 18 minutes. Let's get this in so we can do the taste test. And let's do the shake test. It is in the pan, evenly lined. Yeah, that's pretty solid. That's like fudge. All right, let's cook it up. 18 minutes, and then it has to cool down, and we can do a taste test. Ta-da! And here it is out of the pan, fully cooled down. Look how high this one rose, higher than the others. And it looks light and fluffy, like a cake instead of, a moist or fudgy side brownie. Smells good, looks good. Let's try to pick it up here on the fork. Oh, it is light. Oh, and look at the pieces fall off. Yep, they're flaky, as in cakey, not flaky. There goes more. Yep, definitely light, definitely cake-like. Wonder if it was the honey. Remember, this one's low sugar, low cook time. Even, yep, looks light and airy like a cake. Let's see how it tastes. Don't really taste the honey. Just taste that it's not really full of sugar. Don't really taste chocolate. Don't really taste a lot of brownie. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's not great. I'm not sure it's going to make the top 5. It's definitely light. It's fluffy. It's airy. The texture is more like a cake than a brownie. So let's see where this turns out. Let's see where it's going to fit in the ones that have been tested so far. So here they are. Here are the ones we've done so far. And on the top is still Live Cheat Free by Aldi. Yep, it's still number 1. Then King Arthur. Then Namaste. Even though I messed it up, it still came out great. Then 365 Whole Foods. Yeah, and then we've got Bob's Red Mill. Yep, Pamela's. Yep, it's going to measure up there with Bob's Red Mill. They're actually going to tie. They're both equally about the same lack of flavor, about the same dry. So in this order, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where Pamela's and Bob's Red Mill are tied. They're about the same. Yep, so tied for 5th. That's where they fell out. Top 5, but they're tied. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.